Focaccia with zucchini, onions, olive oil. Fantastic, delicious. Let's make it. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. Start by adding 1.5 cups of bread flour, followed by 1.5 cups of 00 pizza flour to your stand mixer's bowl. Then douse it with a pinch of salt and give it a little twirl to mix it up. Then add 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast into warm water, give it a stir, and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until it activates. Add your water to your flour and knead with the dough hook. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and continue to knead till the dough pulls away from the bowl sides. Next, prep your vegetables, your onion and your zucchini. Fantastic, delicious, yum, yum, yum. Add them to a warm skillet and cook them down. No seasoning required at this time. After about an hour, remove your dough from your proofer if it's doubled in size. If you don't have a proofer, allow your dough to rest and rise near a warm, dry place. Knead the dough and stretch it out to fit the pan that you're going to be baking your focaccia on. Beautiful and fantastic. Once you have completed this process, put it back in the proofer or a nice warm dry place to let it rise for a second time for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's out, push holes down on the dough. Be careful not to puncture the dough. Add your zucchini and onion, followed by some rosemary and coarse salt. Bake at 500 for 12 minutes. And voila, beautiful, delicious, fantastic zucchini onion focaccia. Delicious, yum, yum, yum.